Hi everyone, I'm Nick from Leader Teams and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a floating button to your WordPress website using Elementor. This is an exciting new feature that Elementor released in their 3.23 update, so make sure to update your plugin to access to this new feature. Floating buttons are a small interactive buttons that remain visible as you scroll through a web page. They are incredibly useful for boosting user interaction, whether it's a prompting visitor to take an action, opening a chat window, or navigating to a specific page. Today, we're going to focus on a floating button that opens a WhatsApp chat, which can be a great tool for customer support or instant messaging directly for your website. Alright, now let's get into the practical part. I'll show you how to add it on your website, but first, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and support my work and help me create more free, exciting tutorials. And now, let's go. The first thing you will want to do is make sure Elementor is up to date. Head to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and check if Elementor needs an update. If you're still on an older version, update it now to get access to the floating button feature. Now go to Templates, Floating Elements and click on the button Add New. Select Floating Buttons from the drop-down, give it a name and click on the Create Element button. Now Elementor shows us all available templates. You can check them one by one before inserting them simply by clicking on the plus icon. Once we have chosen the type that will best cover our needs, we just have to click on the Insert button. Like every Elementor widget, we have our 3 tabs where in each one we can find many options to customize our new widget. In particular, now let's see in detail some of the most important settings. In the Content tab, in the Platform option, we can decide what to connect our widget to WhatsApp, Messenger, or Skype, for example. Obviously, by changing the platform, the next option that allows us to enter the telephone number or our account also changes. We can edit the top bar with the name, title, and our profile image, and on the message bubble panel, we can edit all middle content. On the last panel, we can change the text of our button. Now we can also change the colors, dimensions, and typography of our widget. So go to the Style tab, and through each panel, we can decide the style of each element like the buttons, color, size, and its effects. We can decide the style of the image, title, and name of the elements of our top bar. We can also customize the elements of our message, like the name, message, and time. And finally, we can also decide the style of the button and the entire chat box widget. Once you're happy with the style, head over to the Advanced tab. Here you can adjust the floating button position and control how it behaves on different devices. You want to make sure it looks great on both desktop and mobile. The final step before we save is to set the display condition. This is crucial if you want to control where the floating bar appears. For example, you might want it to show on every page or just on your contact page. To set this up, click on Publish and select where you want the bar to appear. Once you've done that, hit Save and you are all set. And that's it! You have successfully added a floating WhatsApp button to your website. This feature is a great way to make customer support or messaging instantly accessible for your visitors. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on WordPress, Elementor, and web design. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a specific tutorial you would like to see in the future. See you in the next video.